Alright, today's video is 5'2", Eyes of Blue, and this one's really fun. I love these old tunes. They just have such charm to them, and it just makes me want to dance, even though I'm not very good at dancing. The form of the piece I'm going to play today, which is how the roadmap of how we're going to do it. I'm going to sing it the first time. Second time through, I'm going to play the melody on the ukulele. The third time, I'm just going to sing it again. The other thing I wanted to tell you is that I'm going to be doing a strum pattern like this. So it's beat 1 is going to be a normal strum. Beat 2 is a chuck. Beat 3 is a normal strum. Beat 4 is a chuck. Okay, so. Try not to strum too hard because I've got a low G on this one, as you can probably tell. I just kind of wanted that voicing for this song. One, two, three, 4. 5'2", eyes of blue. Know what those 5 foot could do. Has anybody seen my gal? Turned up nose, turned down hose. Never had no other bows. Has anybody seen my gal? Now if you run into a 5'2", covered with fur, diamond rings and all those things, bet your life it isn't her. But could she love, could she woo, could she coo? Has anybody seen my gal? Nose, turn down hose, never had no other bows. Has anybody seen my gal? Now if you run into 5'2", covered with fur, diamond rings and all those things, bet your life it isn't her. But could she love, could she woo, could she coo? Has anybody seen my gal? Alright, thank you everybody so much for tuning in. I've got some really cool announcements to tell you about pretty soon. But on Thursday, which is April 1st, I'm going to be opening up my Patreon again. And my first post is going to be the Happy Birthday chord melody. So you might already know how to play Happy Birthday, but I'm skipping way ahead in the daily ukulele book because I had a student, Judy, who requested a chord melody of that song. She's got a lot of people in her family that have birthdays, just like everybody else, and really wanted to have that. So thank you, Judy, for the suggestion, and thank you for being a subscriber on my Patreon. Also, as a member of the Patreon, you'll get a chance to vote on how I cover certain songs. If you request chord melodies or tab written out for certain songs, or you want me to dress a certain way if you're a Patreon member. If I get enough people, I'll buy some costumes and wigs and all that fun stuff, go on location certain places. So that would be amazing if you could join that. It's $3 for the first 50 members. So if you're a founding member of my Patreon, you can get all my content for just $3, which is called a cappuccino, which is pretty standard to buy a cappuccino for just $3. Also, I've got a really great interview coming up at the end of the month. I'll give you a clue. It has something to do with the daily ukulele books. See if you can figure that out. If you have not already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button in the bottom right side of the page, and hit like if you like this video. I can't wait to keep going through this book with you and seeing this channel grow. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I look forward to making my next video. Have a great day.